Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. When it comes to maintaining your car, knowing the right questions to ask your mechanic is crucial. In this video, we'll highlight essential questions you should consider asking your car mechanic to ensure your vehicle gets the best care possible. When it comes to maintaining your car, having a reliable and trustworthy mechanic is essential. Knowing the right questions to ask your car mechanic can help you make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repairs. We will discuss the important questions you should ask to ensure that you are getting the best service for your car. Whether you're going in for a routine checkup or facing a major repair, being prepared with the right questions can make all the difference in your car's performance and your peace of mind. Asking the right questions ensures quality service. As a conscientious car owner, asking the right questions to your mechanic is crucial to ensure that you receive top-notch service for your vehicle. By inquiring about the mechanic's experience with similar car issues and the specific repair processes they will undertake, you can gain confidence in the quality of service you are about to receive. Avoiding unnecessary repairs. Effective communication with your mechanic through asking pertinent questions can help you avoid unnecessary repairs. By seeking clarification on the diagnosis, alternative solutions, and the urgency of the repairs, you can prevent being misled into unnecessary or premature fixes that could strain your budget. Understanding maintenance needs. Asking the right questions to your mechanic allows you to delve into the specifics of your car's maintenance needs. Inquire about the recommended maintenance schedule, the critical components that require regular checkups, and the indicators of potential issues. This knowledge empowers you to take better care of your vehicle and extends its longevity. Essential questions to ask your car mechanic. When you take your car to the mechanic, it's important to ask the right questions to ensure you're making informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repairs. Here are some essential questions to consider: qualifications and certifications. Ask your mechanic about their qualifications and certifications. Inquire about their training and experience working on vehicles similar to yours. A skilled mechanic will be transparent about their background, and should be able to provide evidence of their expertise. Diagnostic process. Understand the diagnostic process. Ask your mechanic to explain how they will determine the issue with your vehicle. A reliable mechanic will use modern diagnostic tools and methods to accurately identify the problem before proceeding with any repairs. Repair options and costs. Inquire about the repair options and costs. Ask for a detailed breakdown of the repairs needed and the associated costs. A trustworthy mechanic will be upfront about the parts and labor charges, and should be able to explain the necessity of each repair. Warranty and guarantees. Ask about warranties and guarantees for the repairs. A reputable mechanic will stand behind their work and offer warranties on parts and labor. Inquire about the coverage and duration of the warranties to ensure peace of mind after the repairs are completed. Asking these essential questions will help you build a trusting relationship with your mechanic and make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repairs. Clarifying repair and maintenance procedures. Understanding the issue. When you encounter car troubles, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the problem. Communicate effectively with your mechanic by describing the issue in detail. If the vehicle is making an unusual noise or exhibiting an unfamiliar behavior, provide specific information to help the mechanic diagnose the problem accurately. Recommended repairs. After diagnosing the issue, your mechanic will recommend the necessary repairs. Seek clarification on the urgency of each repair and the potential consequences of postponing or neglecting them. Understanding the recommended repairs will help you make informed decisions about prioritizing and budgeting for the maintenance of your vehicle. Maintenance schedule. Inquire about the recommended maintenance schedule for your vehicle. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity and optimal performance of your car. Ask your mechanic to outline the specific maintenance tasks and intervals, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections. Understanding the maintenance schedule will assist you in planning and budgeting for ongoing car care. Parts and components used when your vehicle undergoes repairs or maintenance. Inquire about the parts and components that will be used. Ask about the quality of the replacement parts and whether they meet industry standards. Understanding the parts and components involved in the repair or maintenance procedures will give you insight into the quality of service and the longevity of the fixes. By clarifying repair and maintenance procedures with your mechanic, you can gain a deeper understanding of your vehicle's needs and make informed decisions about its care and maintenance. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. And a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Communication and transparency explanation of technical terms. When discussing car issues with your mechanic, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of any technical terms used. Don't hesitate to ask for explanations or clarifications if something isn't clear. A good mechanic should be able to communicate complex technical information in an understandable way, helping you make informed decisions about your vehicle. Updates and progress reports. Regular updates and progress reports from your mechanic can provide peace of mind and keep you informed about the status of your vehicle. This transparency builds trust and allows you to anticipate the time frame for repairs or maintenance, helping you to plan accordingly. Extra charges and fees. Before any work begins, it's important to have a clear understanding of all potential extra charges and fees. A trustworthy mechanic should be transparent about the cost of parts, labor, and any additional services that may be required. This ensures that there are no surprises when it comes time to settle the bill. Sign-off and approval process. A reputable mechanic will seek your approval before undertaking any additional work beyond what was initially discussed. This step ensures that you are fully informed and have consented to any additional repairs or expenses. It also underlines the mechanic's commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, asking the right questions to your car mechanic can make a significant difference in the quality of service you receive and the long-term health of your vehicle. By inquiring about their experience, certifications, warranty coverage, and specific details about the repairs or maintenance needed, you can ensure that you are entrusting your vehicle to a knowledgeable and trustworthy professional. Remember, effective communication with your mechanic can lead to better outcomes for your vehicle and your peace of mind. By asking the right questions, you can ensure a smoother car maintenance experience and build a stronger understanding of your vehicle's needs. Don't hesitate to ask these questions during your next visit to the mechanic. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.